Sheikh, sometimes some paranormal activities happen near dead bodies or, near graveyards and all. And we all know that is only the jinn, as humans cannot come back to life after death. Is fearing such things shirk? And is staying away from mosques or graveyards shirk? Thank you.
This is not shirk, rather, it is a natural fear that can be easily overcome with strong iman. The fear of harm coming to us is natural. Now, can a lion eat me? The answer is yes. So when I see a lion, should I, just chill and be fine with it or run? Of course, I have to escape. Likewise, when fearing the jinn, and we know that the jinn can harm us, but not most likely, especially if we say our adhkar and we trust Allah, they can have no impact on us, none whatsoever. But sometimes people are overwhelmed with their fear of the night, fear of the graves, fear of the dead. So many people, when they see a dead corpse, they're terrified. Okay, it's dead. Yeah, but I don't know. So this is not shirk, but it is a sign of weakness of iman. Say your adhkar and have full confidence that nothing can harm you without the permission of Allah, and that the jinn by nature fear us, the humans. If they sense that you fear them, they will intimidate you, and inshallah you'll be fine doing that.